Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna review about the product Glam Glue, which is only available in Nykaa. This is one, the Glam Glue. So this is a gift for me from my brother. Okay, so as a Rakhi gift, so he gave me this Rakhi gift. So I was so excited that I wanted to try out this product and how it works on my skin. I'm basically not a fan of chemical. I don't use such like mask or any other chemical stuffs on my face much because I'm least interested in that. But I really wanted to check this out because I will just show that. This is one pack, this is the other one, and this is the other one. So you can see the size of these three. Okay, so this is for the clear one, and this is for the brighten one, and this is for the moisturizer, the pink one. So it goes like this: the clear, the brighten, and the moisturizer. Okay, you can see the sizes also. It's really too small, and seriously it costs really to 1,600 something, but I didn't think so for these three. Plus they gifted me a bag. I will show that. This one is a free gift from Glam Glow. It's a bag. It's such a fancy and classy holographic bag, so I can put your makeup essentials in this. It's such a fancy bag, nice one. He just spent like nearly 2,600 for this one. For that I'm a bit sad because he spent all those money for me, and the product is only this much. So the first disappointment is this one, but let's see how this works on my skin and how does it creates. They are claiming that the clear one, that this one is super mud clearing treatment, and apply a thin layer to clear skin. Leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes, remove with water, use a full face mask 1 to 3 times a week. So we have to use this 1 to 3 times, like 2 to 3 times in a week. So when I start using this up to 3 times in a week all over my face, then it would have just finished it off. And the other one, this one is the brighten one, the flash mud, the brightening treatment. So they said it apply on the dry face in a circular motion and leave for 20 minutes, and product will turn semi-transparent because the ingredients gets absorbed, and to start use of 3 days in a row, and after that 2 to 3 times per week. So 3 days in a row I have to use, and after that it reduces. That's what they say. The 2 to 3 times in a week is enough. And then this one is a moisturizer which we can use as a thin layer, like a foundation, like an illuminator. It is basically, it's an illuminator, that is glow starter mega illuminated moisturizer. So this is an illuminator. This can be used anytime, so it might stay for a long, but I don't know about these two because it's too small for the price which he paid. So that is my concern basically. But I'm really excited about this gift because the first time which I'm getting a Rakhi gift from somebody is this time. So I'm really excited. I really wanted to open this gift up and just wanted to apply on my face and feel that how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna start the process, the step. Okay, so the first step I always use applying the toner or the rose water, the Lush Veda. I always mention in my videos, right? So I will definitely put a link again under my video, so you can buy this from. So I wiped out all the residues on my face, and now I'm gonna use this first step, that is clear. It's called clear, and this is the super mud. This is for clearing treatment. So let me start. So the mask got dry. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you one thing about this product. It is why it is so costly, because it is an imported product, and it is manufactured by the Estee Lauder company, which is in New York. So that's why it is really costly, and comparatively you can get a bigger sachets, you can get a big bottles from Nykaa itself, but you won't get all these three things together. You have to buy each and everything separately, then only you're gonna get a big, like pretty much a big bottles of these mud, and these super mud, and the flash mud, and this illuminator. Okay, so now I'm gonna wipe out this super mud. Okay, okay, so now I'm feeling some freshness on my skin than before. Yeah, it is working on my skin. Let's see, whether it works like after a long time, or after having after using this for a long time, whether it does work. But right now I feel like some freshness, some, what do you say, when you apply some paste on your face, right, toothpaste, then after washing it out, you will feel some breezy, like that menthol feeling. So you will get that fresh and that menthol feeling. So now I'm gonna apply the second one, that is a flash mud. I've already mentioned that they apply it on a dry face and in a circular motion to pre-exfoliate, and leave it for 20 minutes. So let's see. I'm gonna take it out. It smells really good. Okay, the texture is almost like a scrub. Let's wait for 20 minutes until these things get absorbed by the skin, right? So I'm gonna wait for 20 minutes. Let's see you after 20 minutes. Okay, bye. So 20 minutes is over. So almost my skin absorbed all those content. So I'm gonna wipe it out with a clean cloth. So they are already mentioned that just wipe it out. Okay, I'm gonna just wipe it out. See, I couldn't find any much difference with this product by applying it. Don't know what will happen like after applying it from day to day, like in a very maybe after 2 weeks it can have some change or something. So you can see that some softness and the dullness on my skin is almost reduced. Okay, so next step, I'm gonna use this Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. Okay, hydrating moisturizer. Very nice smell. It smells like a vanilla ice cream. Okay. Okay, it's too it's oily, bit oily, but it blends with the skin well. Yeah, it makes the skin softer. It have a good texture also, like a highlighter texture. So you can apply, they have mentioned that you can apply with this a foundation also. You can use this as a with something with the foundation, you will get more illuminating effect and all on your skin. I don't know what will happen after 2 weeks, but definitely I will definitely let you know that what happens when I use this product, like in a span of 2 weeks or in a month or in a 2 months. So but the product is a bit costly. I would never recommend you to buy this product by spending a lot of money, but yeah, if it is worth, then you should buy this, and I'll definitely put a review how I felt after using this for 1 month. Okay, so I'll definitely put the review. You can watch it and you can just have the view like accordingly. And I always prefer no chemicals, only natural products. So I don't know what will this products will make my skin. To be honest, the ingredients inside this bottles this tubes are really good for the skin, that I know. Some of the ingredients are really helpful for a glowy skin, and they have basically add, like, the ingredients are basically the natural products, like extracts of aloe vera, extracts of some fruits, etc. So they are good, and I'll definitely let you know what this product is all about and what this product changes, if whether this product changes the skin texture or whatever they claim, is that right or not. So like, this is what I have to say. So these are the products which I already mentioned, and the Glam Blue products, and I'm happy that I got this wonderful pouch also, such a classy, such a gaudy, and you can say that such a show, you can just show it off, right? So that's it, and this is what I have to tell about this video. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you like this video, then share that with your friends. If you feel that it is beneficial, if it helps you, then share it with your friends. And if you like this video, do comment on the comment box below, so that I'll get inspired from your comments and your response, so that I will be like get motivated to create more and more videos. And tell me the suggestions also. You can just DM me in my Instagram, in my Facebook. My name is Roshni Nair, and you can just put a suggestion in my DM also, so that I will definitely include that video in my YouTube channel. And till then, signing off, Roshni Nair. Bye, love you all.